I'm stunned. China has actually installed an elevator on a large mountain, which can ascend over 300 meters of sheer cliff in just 66 seconds. Upon completion, it broke the world record, earning the title of the highest outdoor elevator. It's known as the Beilong Elevator, the world's #1 elevator, costing $16 million USD. Located in the core scenic area of the Wulingyuan World Natural Heritage Site in Zhangjiajie, its vertical height is 335 meters, with an operational height of 326 meters. A single journey ticket costs only 9.8 USD. The Beilong elevator is the world's tallest, has the largest load capacity, and is the fastest fully exposed outdoor sightseeing elevator. The Beilong elevator is constructed on the edge of a cliff, overlooking a seemingly bottomless abyss. It was built to provide great convenience for those who find it difficult to climb mountains. So, with such a thrilling elevator, would you dare to experience it?